Hello and welcome to my channel, From Dusk to Shine. If you're new here, my name is Veronica. I do cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos, so if you like these types of videos, I would love for you to subscribe. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning and organizing my son's room. The first thing I did was take everything out from the top shelf in his closet. Then with a microfiber towel and multi-purpose cleaner, I sprayed the top shelf. After I dusted, I went through my son's clothes and I took everything that I knew didn't fit him anymore or that he no longer wore. And like you can see, he has a big collection of Nerf guns. He had them in two big plastic bins and they were taking up a lot of closet space. So I put them into one big storage container and moved them down to the garage. And that way when he wants them, he can go and get them and they're easier to store all in one place. And it also frees up some space in his closet. Here my son was using a magic eraser to clean off the wall and remove the dust. Then I went in with a vacuum and vacuumed up the closet so that we could start organizing. This is not a very big room, and since we had tons of furniture and just stuff everywhere, it looked really cluttered, and although we cleaned the room, it just did not seem clean. So we tried using the Konmari Method because she says to only keep things that speak to your heart and bring you happiness. I'm not going to lie, this was not an easy process. My son wanted to keep a lot of his belongings and it was taking us a really long time to go through every little toy. So I set a timer for 20 minutes and within those 20 minutes he had to find a place to organize what he was going to keep and then the rest had to go. So I wanted my son to be a part of this whole cleaning and organizing process because I wanted him to see how much things he had that he no longer needed. I also wanted him to be the one to choose what toys he was going to donate. After we had the cube organizer cleaned, we decided to move it into the closet. So this way the room could have more livable space and look less cluttered. My son was also able to keep some of the things that he wasn't quite ready to part with yet and still keep everything really clean and organized. I really loved the cube organizer in the closet, and I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. Now my son wanted to reorganize his clothes, so I helped him by removing all of the empty hangers. After he organized his clothes just the way that he wanted everything, I helped him by dusting off the toys that he was going to donate. And this is our progress so far. In reality, it seemed that our mess was even worse than before we started, but we kept going because, like they say, it always gets worse before it gets better.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are.
So my son found this flag from when he was 5 years old, and he did not want to get rid of it because it was from the first time that he went to a monster truck show, and he had it autographed, and he was not ready to let it go.
Older, now set your sails on high, and you're stronger.
So after an hour or so into this cleaning and organizing, my son was getting tired and he was starting to feel like I wanted him to get rid of things that he was not ready to get rid of, but it totally was not the case. It just didn't seem like we were making a lot of progress.
No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't
So while my son decided what he was going to keep, I helped him go through his dresser and I folded the shorts that I knew that fit him, and I took out the ones for the donation pile.
shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
This nightstand had yogurt caked on, but the Lysol and my microfiber towel took it right off.
Into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you
I removed all of his football stickers from the wall because he didn't want them anymore. By this time, my husband was home from work and he helped us take down some of the frames and the stickers and move things around. So I was so excited that he was home because that way it could speed up the process. The frame was being held up with Velcro, and here I am showing you how it did not damage the wall at all or chip off any of the paint.
I wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true.
And since we were cleaning everything up, I went ahead and put clean sheets on his bed, and he helped me make his bed. Like you can see, we are almost done, or so we thought we were almost done, because my son had other ideas on his mind.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. On a higher level. We got this.
I am so proud of my son Noel because even though he was tired from all of this work, he kept going until we were all done. He ended up removing 2 bags of garbage and 2 bags of toys and clothes that we are going to donate.
Wow, wow. I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know.
Here my son was telling me that he wanted to rearrange his furniture and he was explaining what he had on his mind. So here we go, moving everything around. I really like the setup that he had, but it's his room and I'm going to let him try it out the way that he wants, and whatever works best for him is what we'll end up keeping.
Make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, make it worth your while. All the things I would do just to get close to you.
Like you can see from our videos, we have our beloved Leo. He is our dog and absolutely loves being around my son. I had never even noticed that he sheds, but when we moved the bed, I could see all of the hair on the baseboards and I could not believe it.
You fall apart. You know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, make it worth your while. In sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. And make it worth your while. Make it worth your while.
My son did not want us to hang anything up on the walls. He was tired, and after 3 hours of cleaning and decluttering, he just wanted to be done. And this is how his room ended up. Sorry about the glare. I tried several times to record, and this was the best that I could do. Thank you so much for spending some of your day with us, and I will see you in the next one.